Welcome to our training video on how to create and publish a company profile on the wescale network. Today, Olivia will show us how it works.
Hi, everyone! Now that I'm registered on the wescale network, I'm going to create and publish my company profile. Let's get started.
To get started, Olivia navigates to Management Network, Company Profiles.
I click on New Company Profile to start the creation process.
Olivia fills in the required fields on the individual pages of the form. She can jump back and forth between the subpages without losing her entries.
I'm now filling in the mandatory fields, which are shown in bold. These include basic informations.
Olivia can also fill in optional fields to describe her company in the best possible way.
I'm adding more information, such as a company description and our sales profile, so that potential customers know which products and services I offer in which countries.
Olivia can also add contact persons and responsible persons for the company profile.
I'm now adding the contact persons who interested parties can contact. I'm also specifying the persons responsible for receiving and processing business inquiries.
Once all the information has been entered, Olivia can publish the company profile.
I click on Publish Company Profile to make the profile visible.
With the publication, Olivia's company profile is now visible to others in the wescale network.
I did it. My company profile is now published. This means that purchasing companies can see my offer and enter into a business relationship with me.
Congratulations, Olivia! You have successfully created and published your company profile. We wish you every success in your collaboration in the wescale network.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to the business relationships that will come from this.